comfortable place. One hug from you and gray skies turn blue. There's no way to show how much I love you. You're the medicine that takes away my pain. To me you're way sweeter than a sugar cane. You ease my brain when I'm feeling insane. You make me rise high above like an airplane. You make me forget about everything. You sparkle brighter than a diamond ring. You make me proud and you make me wanna sing. You make me feel like I'm richer than a king. I see the twinkle in your eyes like the sunrise. I'm telling you no lies, you are the grand prize. So special to me, it doesn't matter your size. You're the best part of me, I hope you realize. It's okay, baby girl, don't cry. The mama dry, the tear from your eye. You know I'm gonna love you even after I die. To you I'm never ever gonna say goodbye. I know sometimes the world demands too many things from your precious little hands, but it doesn't matter if you're near or far.